So when I ask people about the difference between HTTP put and post, in majority of the cases I hear the word that HTTP post is to create something new and HTTP put is to update. So this is very true. This is very true. HTTP post is for creating something new, HTTP put is for updating something. That is true, but why? So the question comes why? So the answer lies in the word idempotent. So what exactly this word means? So I will just give you an example. So if you have already worked on HTTP, then this will be the right course for you. You can understand the word of my mouth and but like if you have never used HTTP before, I will like you to first go ahead and do a tutorial on Postman. So I have not created it yet. Maybe I will be creating in future. So when we talk about the difference between HTTP put and post, there is one major difference between them. So suppose on your server you hit up a request for creating a user, register a user. So for that you put up a post command and mistakenly you put up that post command 10 times. The same post command having the same data. So what will happen? This post command will be executed by the server 10 times. And the first time it will create it and the other 9 times it will give an error. But if you do the same thing with put, if input you will put can also be used to create new things. If you do the same thing in put, what will happen? The first time it will create the user and next 9 times it will not execute the code. So it will also not give any error. So the difference between put and post is put does not execute repeated request. It makes your performance better. So in a real life scenario, we always expect that something new which is created should always be executed. That's why for something new we always use post. And when we say that we are updating something, that there might be a scenario we update something twice. The user updates the address and clicks save, then again click saves, then again click saves, and the request is going on and the user is even not aware. So for that reason, and like the performance does not get affected, we use put. So it will not get refreshed or updated again. So put is idempotent. This is the meaning of the word idempotent, and this is the actual difference between put and push. Thank you guys. This was Anand Goel. Welcome back to host-tune-perform.com. Stay attached. Please subscribe. Please like. Thank you. Bye.